I haven't done a tray in a long time either, so we're gonna do this tray. Super pretty. And I got a fabulous Reba Rose paper that I printed out this morning on a bigger, regular piece of paper that my printer can hold. And this is called Fluffy Bunnies. Isn't this print gorgeous? I already kind of like traced it out and, you know, kind of. So I think we're just gonna paint the whole tray pink. And so this is Slick Stick by Dixie Belle. You want to use this if you know, I don't know, like if you're painting anything slick, like. All right, we're gonna paint this. But look at, see, it almost looks white when I tell you though, it's a very, very pale pink. So, got the paint on there. Look at that gorgeous pink. Let's see how it's gonna look on the pink. Oh my God, this is gonna look so pretty. This is gonna be lovely, y'all. Okay, just a little bit of infuser. Now I'm just gonna press that down like so. But I do want to give this, a coat of sealer, the whole thing. So this is my triple thick Duraclear mix, and we're going to just go all the way around. Look how cute. I know it's like not centered. I love these colors too, so it's so pretty. Next, we are going to do, I could crackle, let's just crackle everything. I'm going to crackle like everything from this flat part down. All right, so this is just component one. I'm just putting it on. I'm going to try to be neat about that. All right, I think we're good. Okay, so that's what we got so far. How stinking cute those bunnies are. Now we're gonna lay down part two. Another brush. You're just gonna go over where you put the part one. This is a lot thinner than part one. And while we let that sit there and get more dry, let's go ahead and add our jute here. I might go around twice because my cut on this was really janky. I like the pearls. All right, guys, change of action, change of course here. I'm just gonna start here in the middle. I just want it to go down right. So see, it's not perfect, like there's a little bit of a wave up here, but it is what it is, guys. There, see there's little pearls in between. So this is Pent Art Wax Paste in this gorgeous, like rose colored. And the color is actually rose gold, but isn't that gonna be gorgeous on here to fill in all those crackles? So all I'm gonna do is grab a little bit, oh, this looks so pretty. So then when you get that all brushed in there, grab a paper towel. Look at how cute. Do you see just the crackle? It's just super subtle. I am, however, gonna do the outside edging now. So all I wanna do is, I don't wanna get it anywhere else. I'm just gonna really focus that line of around it. Look at how pretty that looks. See how we crackled it on the sides? This too. Okay guys, we're gonna move on. We're gonna paint the edge. I am gonna grab a brush that's already soaking in olive oil. If you use liquid gold, I save these brushes. And I am gonna start over here. And you know, this stuff is so forgiving. Doesn't that look so pretty? The gold matches the gold chain perfectly. So if we're gonna epoxy, we epoxy now, and then let's figure out what bling we're gonna put, because this is the best part, is adding the sparkle. So I really like the idea of the little bunny basket, but see what I'll do is I'll set that in the epoxy so that it dries in the epoxy. Or, ooh, that's really cute too. I could do this little flower basket. Or I'm not gonna be able to hold it up for you once I shop it, once I spread that epoxy. So I'm gonna put that like right there. Can you guys see? Now, I'm gonna be totally weird and I'm just gonna tell you how this is gonna work, because it's been working for me. When you're doing epoxy, you need a total level, flat surface. I've got my big heater up here, and it's been actually coming in really handy, because when I'm ready to pour, I get the air bubbles out, I move it to here like this, and then I know it's totally level, and there is where I let it sit for 24 hours. I'll show you guys one last time before, because once we epoxy, that's going to be it. But look at how pretty. So it'll have the little bling, the Totally Dazzled bling on there. I'm going to set that bling right into the epoxy. I start off pouring all around the edge. I just go for it, y'all. I just pour. But I go around the edges as close as I can. And I'm just gonna push it. Okay, I'm just pushing it like until it meets up with or goes underneath the chain. Do you know what Make sure it's all the way around. And then I go in with the middle. Okay. And I do my hands, okay? I just kind of like rub it all in, make sure that all of those spots get filled. Back down. And now you're just gonna blow dry, or you want to get your heat gun on it. And you can see all those little bubbles popping, and you're just gonna keep heating it until all those little bubbles stop appearing. All right, I'm gonna move it over to my heater area, and then I will put on the bling. Just gonna drop it in there. And then you just gotta make sure you don't have any air bubbles once you drop it in there. Here, I just take a lid to an old, to a tote, and I just lay it on top of there. It's not perfect, but it's gonna help keep a lot of stuff like floating on there, okay? And then I will add the calla lily in the corner when this is all done. You guys stay sparkly, my friends, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.